Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to group and ungroup rows and columns in Excel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to apply grouping in Excel using the IronXL library. If you've been looking for an effective way to organize your Excel data, then this video is for you. Just before we get into it, I've already installed the IronXL library via the NuGet package manager, and so if you haven't done that yet, just quickly go ahead and do so now. Okay, let's move on to our program.cs file, and we're going to break down the pre-written code. So the first thing we're going to do is import the IronXL namespace, which gives us access to all of the Excel functionality that we will be needing. So here we load an existing Excel spreadsheet into a workbook object. And then we obtain the default worksheet from the workbook and store it in the worksheet. Next, we group rows 1 to 8 using the group rows method. And the parameters 0 and 7 represent the starting and ending row indexes, respectively. So then we apply groupings to columns A to F using the group columns method. And the parameters 0 to 5 represent the starting and ending column indexes. So you'll notice that some of the lines of code are commented out. And these lines serve as optional steps you can take to ungroup certain rows or columns. And finally, we save the changes to a new Excel file named grouped.xlsx. So let's run the project and see how it works. Cool, project is running successfully. So let's open the output file and see the changes. So here you can see that the rows and columns have been grouped, just like we wanted. And if you look closely, you can see plus and minus buttons next to the grouped rows and columns. And you can click on these buttons to expand or collapse the groups, making data navigation incredibly easy. And that's it, folks. With just a few lines of C# code and the IronXL library, you can dynamically group rows and columns in Excel. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and please, if you haven't already, hit subscribe because you're going to get a bunch more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And before you go, we've got a free trial license for you to check out. So if you want to experience the power of our software freehand, just click the link in the description and check it out for yourself.